Often after doing big things in our life, we do not see opportunities in small things. But small things can lead you to bigger achievements too. Opportunities are like sunrise. If you wait for them too long, you miss them. The best way to grab an opportunity is to act on it quickly. People with strong willpower have always carved their paths. Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com. I am Juhi and today we'll be talking about how you can start Areca Plate Business with an investment amount of 50,000 rupees. But before we move on to know how we can start the business of Areca Plates, let me tell you an inspiring story of Ravi R. Like lakhs of others during the lockdown, even Ravi lost his job. But instead of sitting in despair, he decided to act on it. He decided to turn this crisis into opportunity. This 50-year-old man decided to start a small Areca Plate business. With an investment amount of 50,000 rupees, he started making 4,000 plates per day. Within a short period of time, he started making 7 lakh plates and he earned 35 lakh rupees. Now that's called turning crisis into opportunity. You might have a question in your mind that you cannot become a crorepati after doing Areca Plate business. But Amardeep Bardan and Vaibhav Jaiswal has proved this notion wrong. This duo started their business with an investment amount of 20,000 rupees. And today, with the Areca Plate business, they have the business turnover of 18 crore rupees. Both Amardeep and Jaiswal felt strongly about the adverse effect that plastics and polymer plates have on our environment. And that's when they decided to start Areca Plate business so that there is a viable alternative for plastics. They decided to source areca leaves from Amardeep's hometown in Assam, where it was available in abundance, and they started making eco-friendly areca plates. This eventually led them to start Prakriti Cultivating Green in 2012, which was incubated from Assam and was operated from Delhi. Initially, they were selling these areca plates to event organizers and caterers who were using these plates in large events and parties. After seeing the growing popularity of areca plates, they started making cutleries and glasses too. Today, Prakriti, which was started at an investment amount of just 20,000 rupees, has a turnover of 18 crores. Not only that, they give employment to 120 people directly and 700 people indirectly. According to research and market, in the next 5 years, the global biodegradable cutlery market is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 5%. The Areca Plate business not only has popularity in India, but it has popularity in countries like America, Netherlands, Spain, Germany, Britain, and many other countries. So you can understand, you can speculate what kind of market opportunity Areca Plate business brings for you. Now let us summarize whatever we have learned in this video. Areca Plate business has a great market opportunity. You can start this at an investment amount as low as 50,000. It is a scalable business which can bring a turnover of crores and has a great opportunity when it comes to exporting it. That's all for today's video. Hope you understood how you can start Areca Plate business with an investment amount of just rupees 50,000. If you want to learn more about starting Areca Plate business, you can do that on our Financial Freedom app, where we have developed a course to make you understand A to Z of Areca Plate business, and you can do that in 6 different languages. You can learn this business in 6 different languages. To download the app, click on the link given in the description box below. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified of every video we post. For more such informative videos on stocks, investments, farming, and more, keep watching IndianMoney.com. This is Juhi Singh signing off. Be wise, get rich.